Carnival and Valentine's Day. Carnival and Valentine's Day are two very important celebrations in which various activities are carried out. The food in the carnival is street food such as salchipapa, hamburger, among others. Unlike Valentine's Day, special meals are made to share as couple or with friends such as lasagna, lobster, among others. The clothes used in carnival are very colorful, simple, cheerful clothes, while the clothes used on Valentine's Day are more formal and very elegant. The place where they carry out the carnival are in the street with a very festive atmosphere. While Valentine's Day is a calmer celebration in glamorous restaurants and something more formal. Within the tradition and important family activity of the carnival is the disorder which contrasts clothes of any color, party and atmosphere among others. While on Valentine's Day, a special day to share with your partner or friends more calmly, usually wearing red and having a good time. The climatic conditions in the carnival are usually very sunny days with each temperature, while Valentine's Day maintains a chilly color one climate. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.